Hey everyone, this is Yaswanth. Welcome to Yaswanth IT. If you are watching our channel for the first time, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Let's see here Java program execution flow. What is Java program execution flow? Whenever we create a program, it contains a .java extension. Okay, .java file extension. In .java file extension, we have our complete program source code. After the compilation, after the compilation, dot class file is created. Okay, dot class file is created. Whenever we want to execute our Java program, we need to execute this dot class file. This what is dot class file contain bytecode. This bytecode will load JVM and it will execute our program. Okay, it will load into JVM and it will execute. So this is Java program execution flow. Okay, if you have any doubts, please refer this PDF. Okay, this PDF will be available in my LinkedIn handle or in comments box. I will give this PDF link. Okay, Java program structure. Okay, what is the Java program structure? First line contains package statement. Second line contains import statements, and after that class declaration and variables and methods. Okay, in our class, always first statement will be package statement, and this package statement only contains only one statement. Multiple statements will not execute. That means multiple statements will not accept in our program. Okay, this package statement contains only one statement in our program. Okay, and import statements. Whenever we want to import our program which is available in another package, we want to import that class into our current program. So for that, we are using this import keyword to load that class into our current program. Okay, class. Class is the most important part in Java program. Okay, class is a plan to define program elements. Only inside the class we can create our variables. I mean, we can create our methods and all the business logic that contains only in class only. Okay, all the business logic only available in class. Okay, see here, develop a first program. For that, we need to create a directory. That means a folder, a new folder, and this I'm giving this name as like Java practice. Open this folder. Here I am creating a new file, new text document. Here we our Java program file extension is always .java file only. So for that we need to modify our document file as .java. For that, please go to here view, uh, show, see here file name extensions. Please click on it. See here from now it will showing as .txt. That means it is a text document. So I am editing this file and I am giving a .java as extension. I am removing completely this and giving name as file name as welcome.java. Okay, click on s. So this is a Java file. Okay, why how it will become .java? It will become a Java program file because I am giving here .java file extension. Then only it will become a Java program file. Okay, please click on it and edit it Notepad. See here I am creating a welcome. Uh, Here I am creating a first program. Carefully observe it. Okay, first we need to declare our class public class on Junit public class. Here always the recommended version is what is your file name. that file name only, our class name also, that file name only. This is a recommended. This is not mandatory, but it is recommended approach. Okay. See here, what is my file name? Welcome.java. So I am giving public class welcome, open brace, open and close curly brace. In this curly brace, I am declaring main method. See here how I am declaring my main method. Public space, static space, main space, string, array, args, open curly brace, close curly brace. In this main method, I am giving a print statement. See here how I am giving print statements. System dot out dot println space welcome to Yaswanth IT. Okay, here I am giving a print statement. In this print statement, this system first word S always should be uppercase only. Click on Control plus S and open command. How I am open command from? See here. Go to your directory. See here. Click on this. Click on this path and press CMD. It will automatically open in current directory. Our command prompt will automatically open in current directory. Okay. Carefully observe here how I am compiling my Java program. For compiling Java program, there is a command Java C space Java C space file name. What is my file name? Welcome.java. This is my file name. To compile our Java program, Java C is a command and Java C space file name. What is my file name? Welcome.java. Press enter. Why I am getting this error? Because I given here in my program there is a mistake. What is my mistake? Here public main will be declared as public static void type specifier. Okay, public static void main. Okay, Control S. Go to command prompt and type compile the program. How I am compiling program? By using command Java C space file name. What is my file name? Welcome.java. Press enter. See, my program is compiled. In see here in directory welcome.java. I created this file, but there is one more file welcome.class. This class is a contains this class file contains bytecode or bytecode contains in this class file. Okay, it will after compilation it will create dot class file. Okay, whenever we want to execute our program, we need to call dot class file. Okay, for a program execution, there is one more command Java space dot class file name. Okay. We know to specify dot class as extension. See here, I am giving welcome. Okay, I am calling this class file. Okay, this dot class file, and I am not mentioning it here dot class file as extension. Okay, press enter. See, it is executed by our program. In my program, I given print statement as welcome to Yaswanth IT. See here, it is printing that statement. Okay. See here, we created a very first Java program and we compiled that program and we executed that program. Okay. Translators. Translator means converting one language into another language. Okay. They are using translators. Okay. Translators are used to convert from one format to another format. Okay. We have three types of translators. First is interpreter. Earlier I already say interpreter is a line by line execution. It will execute line by line. Okay. And compiler. It will convert all the lines of code and it will execute all the lines of code at that time. And assembler, it will convert assembler programming language into machine language. Okay. Interpreter will convert the program line by line. Performance is slow. Okay. That's why in Java they added in JVM JIT just in time compiler. Okay. Compiler will convert all the lines of program at that time. Performance fast. Okay. Assembler is used to convert assembler programming language into machine understandable language. Okay.